Alright, as your big sister, me gonna teach you the proper way for be a gallus. Alright, first thing, your style. My, where you eat?
Oh, these are booty flakes. They were on sale for like 50 cents, so I decided to buy them.
You eat something we name booty flakes. You know what? Never mind. Like what me that said before, a woman likes a man with confidence. So how you dress plays a big part in it.
What's wrong with how I dress?
The real question is, what's not wrong with how you dress? You dress like in a gear. Actually, you dress like you're homeless. Where if I could buy you better clothes?
I can't really afford anything expensive right now.
Don't worry about that. Me I'll get you some things. Because me can't have you out here with our last name. I'm gonna like you an idiot. And don't buy no more butty flakes. Man, you come out of the bathroom now? You see? Look how you look nice. But tell you now, you just need some new clothes. So why your face looks so far? Antoine, come on man. Stop, do your face so now. Be happy. May I go back see you now? Wait there. Go over there, so look on a pretty girl there. No, just walk over there and talk to her, okay? Try to be interesting.
Hey, how's your day going?
My day is going great. Oh my god, I love your eye color. It's so pretty.
Yeah. Thanks.
Is that a Gucci suit you have on? I love it.
I'm not sure. My sister bought it for me. I don't see the sense of paying a lot of money for clothes.
Oh, so basically you're broke.
I won't say broke. I mean, I have a decent job.
Oh really? So what are you, a doctor? A lawyer? Do you play in the NBA?
No. I work at basically I fix cars.
So what happened? Did you get her number?
No, I told her where I worked and she basically walked away.
Let me guess, you told her I bought that suit for you, right?
Well, you did.
Seriously, Antoine, why would you tell her that?
I don't want to do this.
No, you give up. You give up too fast. We're not done yet. We're gonna get you one girl. I have an idea. Why don't you text your neighbor and invite her to your place? I mean, she one basic girl. Maybe she gonna be more easier to forget.
I text her and say, I don't know what to say.
Tell her you cook some food and you invite her over to eat. I mean, she asks you for sugar. She's not like she's hungry belly anyways. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cook you something and you pretend say you cook it, alright? You're going to pretend. No more telling the truth. Don't tell girl the truth, alright?
Alright.
Why you said 4 plate and not just you and her are gonna eat?
I thought it would look more fancy. I mean, I want her to feel comfortable.
Alright, yeah, try. But you can't look too desperate. Nobody likes desperation. Alright, I forgo over this again because you don't like Lissy. Remember, do not give her too much information, okay? Just be calm, you know? Make her talk more. Women like when you make them talk more, okay?
So you're gonna stay here? What are you gonna do? Are you gonna go home?
Honestly, this sound away, but I'm not faith in you. So me just stay here. Plus, I don't want to go back to the yard because I'm gonna strangle a woman there. So I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna hide somewhere in the house. And you know, if anything go on, I'm gonna there for you when you start ball. Because I don't tell her get in the girl draws.
Oh, she's coming over now.
Alright, I'm gonna be in your room. Trying to make sure come in the room. You know what? Never mind. I doubt it. Good luck.
Suti, how are you? Thanks for coming.
No, thank you for inviting me.
Oh, I cooked dinner. I hope you're hungry.
Yeah, I'm starving.
I'm sorry if the salad is a little dry.
No, it's really good. I mean, you can cook. I mean, you can chop vegetables, but it's really good. I really like it.
In Brighty, want my salad dry. Him look at me if you cook nothing for him. Bright.
So, Suki, what do you do for fun? I mean,
I'm sorry about that. My mom wants me to visit her. She always wants me to visit her. Well, for fun, I like to paint. And I also play the violin.
oh, if that's interesting.
I wanted to ask you something. You're Jamaican, right?
Well, oh no, my dad's Jamaican. My mom was born here in America. Well, my dad's Jamaican.
Really? So, have you ever been to Jamaica?
I actually went there a couple months ago to visit my family. It's a crazy story, but yeah, I've been to Jamaica. It was pretty fun.
I fucking love Jamaican culture.
Oh wow!
When you first moved here, I heard you playing the dancehall music. And then I heard your sister speak patois, and I figured you were Jamaican as well. But you're basically Jamaican too.
What? She love Jamaican, man? I guess Antoine, I go get a break.
Well, technically, I was born in America, so culturally I'm Jamaican, but I was born here.
Well, your dad is Jamaican, so technically you're Jamaican as well. And that means you got everything Jamaican, right?
That doesn't really make any sense. I mean, biologically, I'm a part of my dad, but what are you talking about?
I was watching a dancehall video with Spice, and I saw her go on stage, and the way her body moved, and the way the guys were, I desperately wanted to try that as well. The dancing, the lyrics, the way the men talk about stabbing out holes. I mean, I know what they mean, but I was wondering, do you do that to me too? Do you stab out my hole?
Tell the boy, hey, we're gonna get some fruit tonight, boy.
Silky, you're basic. You're asking me. Wow.
I practice everything. I can go in my head top, and I can do, what's that one called? 369? That's not it. But I can do a lot of things because
Suki, I don't think this is a good idea. I mean, we barely talked, and you want me to, toy with you? Give me a second, alright? I have to get something in my room. I'll be right back. Okay, I'll be right back.
Please tell me say you're coming here for some boots or something. Don't tell me say you're coming here because you're afraid.
Honey, this is going a bit too fast. I mean, I didn't expect she was gonna, want me to dig out her wool.
You hear the patois come out, you need to channel your inner Jamaican. Want you. Give that girl what she want. Go out there and do it. Yeah, hello? Yeah. Yeah, what going? No. No, my damn brother house. What? No, I can't talk right now. May I help Antoine with something? Okay. Call me back later, alright? I'm gonna tell you what happened, okay? Shit, I can't believe I fall asleep. What smile? The way you smile and you're basically not want to close, so I guess you do it.
And it wasn't easy. I mean, she just went on in. I can't believe I did all that I did.
You see, and you did nervous. Wait there, did you use the boots?
Yeah, I had on my boots, but I don't know. She thought it was weird that I had on boots. I mean, she was questioning me about it. I mean, she said she would have understood if it was house slippers.
Antoine, Buy boots, I mean condom. Well, enjoy being a daddy 9 months from now.